Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm dealing with 8th class maths, and in 8th class maths, cubes and square roots and cube roots. In this exercise 6.2, three sums I have completed. Now fourth sum, find the smallest number. The question is find the smallest number by which 7,776 is to be divided to get a perfect square. This is the question. That means, as you know, earlier we have done the sums. There is some number extra for this 7,776. If you take that number and divide it with the same number, you are going to get a perfect square. So let us take 7776. Let us go for prime factorization. Even numbers, so 2 threes are 6, 1, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 1s are, 2 9s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are. Again 2, 2 9s are, 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 6s are. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are. This can be cancelled by 3. 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So 7776 can be written as how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twos. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. As I said, if you want to find the square root, you need 2 2 as a group. So I am making 2 2 as a group. It has no group. So here also 3 3. So these are the two numbers which are not having groups. So 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore, if you take 7776 should be divided by 6 to get a perfect square. Since he is not asking to find out the number and find the square root of it, we can stop it here, children. So I hope I am clear. Identify the pair which are not having, identify the numbers which are not having their pairs, and you can find out very easily the solution for this problem. I hope I am clear. Please copy it. This is fourth sum. Now fifth sum, children. Fifth sum, 1521 trees are planted in a garden. The problem goes in this way, children. So I'll be reading that problem for you. So let me read the problem. 1521 trees are planted in a garden in such a way that there are as many trees in each row as there are rows in garden. Please understand this statement. There are as many rows. There are as many trees in a row. In one row, how many trees are there? As there are rows in the garden. How many rows are there in the garden? So many trees are there in each row. Find the number of rows and the number of trees in each row. So you need to find out the number of rows and see. For example, I'm just keeping the dots. There are 4 trees. Then the rows will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Each row will be having, let me draw this as a row. Each row will be having same number of trees. 4, 4, 4. So I hope I am clear. There are as many number of trees as there are rows. How many rows are there? So many plants are there in each row. They are saying that please understand this statement. Don't get confused. There are as many trees in each row as there are number of rows. How many number of rows are there? That many number of trees are there in each row. So as an example, I am drawing a small figure. Suppose I feel that there are 4 rows. 4 rows are there means 4 trees will be there. So in each row 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows are there. So in each row, 4, 4, 4, 4 trees are there. Now the question is what? They are asking, find the number of rows and the number of trees in each row. So let the number of rows, we don't know. Let me consider it as x. Then the number of trees in each row, that also will be x. See here, 4 rows are there, 4 trees are there in each row. So what are therefore, what are the total number of trees? Total number of trees. How many are there, children? In one row, x trees are there. In x rows, how many? X into x. That is x square trees are there. So we know that x square according to problem. I'll write according to problem. According to problem. X square is equal to how much? 1521. So you want x, how will you do? Root of 1521. So take 1521, find prime factorization. See children, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. That means this number is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Of course 2 I cannot. So I must keep 0. This is very important, children. Mostly children will do this mistake only. Here again 3 5s are 15, 3 7 are 20 and they will do. But they are forgetting about this 2. This 2 you cannot cancel, so keep 0. Now 21, 3 7, that's 21. Again 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 means 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 I am getting. 3 6 are 18. 2, 3 9s are 27. Now 169, you all know pretty well. 13 13s are 169. So root of 1521 can be written as root of 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. So I told you, square root means make 2 2 as a pair. Instead of 2 numbers, you take 1. So 1 3 here, 113 here. That means 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. X is equal to 39. So what is this x they are asking, children? X what we have considered? Number of rows. Therefore, the number of rows is equal to 39 and number of trees in each row is also 39. These two are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is fifth sum. Now sixth sum, children. Sixth sum. A school collected rupees 2601 as a fees. It was on like this. Let me read the problem. A school collected 2601 rupees as fees from its students. A fee paid by each student and the number of students in the school were equal. How many students were there in the school? It's just the same as that of the previous one. How many students are there in the school? That many rupees are paid as a fees for each student. So the number of students, let the number of students in the school is equal to x. Then, according to problem, fee paid by each student is also equal to x. Therefore, what is the total fees paid? Total fee paid will be equal to x into x, that is x square. So what you will be saying? X square is equal to 2601. So what is x? Root of 2601. So take 2601, go for root, see 8 plus 1 9. So with 3 you can do 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 6 are 18, 2, 3 7 are 21. Again 13, 8 plus 6, how much? 14, 14 plus 7, 14 plus 6, 20, 21, again by 3. 3 twos are 6, 2, 3 eights are 24, 2, 3 nines are. 289 is a square root of, it has got a root 17. 17 square is 289. These values you should remember because these are all prime numbers. You should know about this, children. Now, what you can say? Root of 2601 is equal to root of 3 into 3 into 17 into 17. That means instead of 2 3s 1 3, instead of 2 17s 1 17. 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 13, 17 3s are 51. So what is the question? They have got to find the number of sixth one. How many students were there in the school? Therefore, number of students in the school is equal to 51. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. This is sixth sum. Seventh problem, children. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is 1296. Then if one number is 16 times the other, if one number is 16 times the other, find the two numbers. Find the two numbers. This is the question. What does this question says? Product of two numbers. Product means multiplication. So two numbers if you multiply, you are getting 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, so let the first number is equal to x. Then according to the problem, second number is equal to 16x, 16 times x, and product, that is x into 16x, is equal to 1296. That means what, children? 16x square is equal to 1296. So what is x square? 1296 divided by 16. We know that 16 8s are 128, and 1 here, 16 ones are 16. So here you will be getting 1. So 16 ones are 16. So you are getting x square as 81. This one is for 16 children, 81. 16 ones are 16. So 81 x square. So when x square is 81, x is equal to root of 81. We know that 9 nines are 81. So it is nothing but 9. X is 9. Now the question is find the two numbers. Therefore, what is first number? First number is 9. And what is second number? 16 multiplied by 9. So 16 nines are how much, children? 144. So these two are the answers, children. Please note it down. Now the next one, children, eighth sum. 7921 soldiers sat in an auditorium. Sat in an auditorium. Let me read. 7,921 soldiers sat in an auditorium in such a way that there are as many soldiers in a row as there are rows in the auditorium. Just like that of first problem which I taught today, there are as many trees in a row as there are number of rows. Same way, how many soldiers sat in each row? How many rows are there? That many soldiers sat. How many rows are there in the auditorium? So you need to find out number of rows in the auditorium. So let the number of rows is equal to x. Then according to problem, number of soldiers in each row is equal to x. And what did they give? Total number of soldiers. How many they have given? 7921. That means what? X square, or first let me write total number of soldiers. If you write x into x is equal to 7921. That means x square is equal to 7921. So x is what? Root of 7921. But when you see the 7921, children, when you are finding, we you have learned till now how to find out square root by prime factorization method only. But for prime factorization method, the given number should be divided by any other number. But if you see here, units place 1, it cannot be divisible by 2. If you add this also, 10 and 9, 19. 19 is not divisible by any divisible by 3. So if you find like this number, you may doubt that maybe it is a product of two prime numbers. You may doubt. I'm not saying that it is exactly. It depends upon the numbers given in a value. But usually, when we are trying to find out prime factorizations, we will see units place or sum of the numbers. Accordingly, we will go for prime factorization. So, if units place is an even number, we will start with 2. If units place is not even number, then we start adding the numbers and see whether it is divisible by 3. So if it is also not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 2, then you can think that it might be a prime number. If it is a prime number, you cannot directly find out the square root by prime factorization. It is not possible at all. So, if you get this kind of numbers, then don't go for prime factorization. First, you check whether the number is divisible by 2 by seeing units place digit, or you count the numbers and see whether the addition of the numbers given they are divisible by sum of those numbers is divisible by 3, then you can say that the number is divisible by 3. If these two properties are not acceptable, then directly you go for the division method. Actually, division method for this in your portion, division method is after this exercise. But to do this problem, you should know the division method. Otherwise, you cannot do. So that is why I'm teaching you division method now. And again, after this exercise, again I will teach you in detail. So let me divide it. 7 in rough column I should do it. 7921 should be divisible by sure, I had to find out square root by using division method. So here, whenever you are going for division method, from units place you have to make 2 as a group. When you are making 2 as a group, so this 79, you should search for a number which, when it multiply by itself, you will be getting a number which is either equal to 79 or less than 79. We know that 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. 81 I cannot take, so I should go for 8. 8 8s are 64. So how much am I getting? 9 minus 4, 5, 7 minus 6, 1. Now I should carry this 2 1 as it is. Two numbers we have to take it out, children. Afterwards, what you have to do? Multiply this 8 by 2. 8 2 is 16. Now you have to take 16 and search for a number here with the same number. If you multiply, you should get this value. So, what is this number? This is your question. What is this number? How you will find out? By seeing the units place. Units place 1 is there. So, what are the, definitely you will get only 2 numbers, which will give you units place 1. Why? Because whichever number you are taking, you should multiply the number with the same number, not other number, because we are finding square roots, number into the same number. So 1 in units place will be getting in 2 cases. 1 1s are 1, 9 9s are 81. So 1 1s are 1. If I take 161 into 1, I don't get it again. 161 only I will get. So I am not supposed to take this. So let me try with 169 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 6 are 54. 54 6 54 60 62 I am getting, and 9 1s are 9 15. See, I have got 1521. That means 169 into 9 is 1521. You will be getting 0. This is the division method. I will be teaching you about this method once again in your next topic that you are going to get. Remember only one thing, that you have to make them as 2 groups. So from right we have to start. So I have got 79. I should search for a number which, when I multiply with the same number, I should get 79 or less than 79. So I found that 8 8s are 64. Next number is 9, but 9 9s are 81 is more than the 79. So I took 8. 8 8s are 64. I have subtracted and I took numbers. When you are taking down, not like normal division, In normal division, we'll take only single digits, but now we are taking the numbers as pairs. That pair as it is, you have to take. So 21 I have taken as it is. After taking it, the best and easiest way of finding the next number is see the units place. What number is there in the units place, you see, definitely will be getting a number. That means it is not definite, it depends upon which number. See here in 2 steps it is completing. In some cases it might be more lengthy also. So see the units place and find out what is the number with which if I multiply, I'll get the same. So here very easily we can find out because we have got 1. So 1 ones are 1, 9 nines are 81. Only these are the two numbers 1 and 9 which are responsible for you to give 1 in units place. So 1 we cannot take because 161 into 1 is 161 is very less number. So we have to opt for 9. So when I have found with the 9 I have got the same number. So 89 is the square root. So what is x value? X value is 89. So what is the question that they have asked? They are asking you to find out. The question is how many number of rows are there in the auditorium? So number of rows in the auditorium is equal to 89. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. This is 8th sum. Now, 9th problem, children. The area of a square field. The area of a square field is 5184 square meters. It goes on like this. Let me say this. The area of a square field is 5184 square meters. Find the area of a rectangular field whose perimeter is equal to perimeter of the square field and whose length is twice the breadth. You have got a square field, they have given, area is given. So with the help of that, you have to find out what is the side of the square. If you know the side of the square, you can find out what is its perimeter. After finding out the perimeter, whatever is the perimeter of the square, that is the perimeter of rectangle they are saying. So by using that 2 into L plus B formula, we can do. And even in this rectangle, what is the problem says? The length is twice of the breadth. Whatever is the breadth, 2 times of breadth is length. So let us go for this problem. What is given to us? Area of a square is equal to 5184 square meters. So area of a square formula, let us suppose that let the side of the square is equal to x meters. Then what you can say? X square is equal to 5184, side into side, x. So what is x? Root of 5184. So units plus 2. So let us go for prime factorization method. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are, 2 9s are, 2 2s are. Again, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are, 2 6 are. Again, 2 6 are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. 2 1s are, 2 6 are, 2 2s are. 2 8s are, 2 1s are. So I need to take places not there. So let me take 81. 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So what am I getting here, children? Root of 5184 is equal to whole root of how many twos? 1 2 3 4 5 6 roots. Twos. 1 2 3 4 5 6 twos into how many threes? 4 threes. 1 2 3 4 4 threes. So this is nothing but twos I'm making them as group. 3's also I'm making them as group. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 9s are 72. So root 5184 is equal to 72. So what is root 5184? X. X is equal to 72. When you have got x, what is the perimeter? Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of square is 4x. That is equal to 4 into 72. 4 2s are 4 7s are 28. 288 meters is the perimeter of this uh, square, children. So once we find out this, children, please copy it. I have no place. I will be doing the next part afterwards. Please copy this. Now we have got perimeter of the square is 288. So according to problem, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 288 meters. So what is perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B is 288. 288 is perimeter of rectangle. Formula: 2 into L plus B is equal to 288. So what is L plus B? 288 by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 fours are. So 144 meters is L plus B. And also, according to problem, what does the problem says? The length is twice the breadth. Length is twice the breadth. This is given. So let breadth B is equal to x meters. Then what is length? Twice. Twice means 2x meters. So basing on this, let us take the problem that what we have got. We have got that L plus B is equal to 144. So length is 2x plus breadth is x, 144. So 3x is equal to 144. X is equal to 144 by 3. 3 fours are 3 eights are. So x is equal to 48 meters. What is x? X is breadth. Therefore, breadth is equal to 48 meters and length is equal to twice 48. So how much you are getting? 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 1 9, 96 meters. So length and breadth are there. Now we need to find out area. So area of rectangle. What is the formula? L into B. That is equal to L is 96. L length is 96 into 48. So 48 multiply by 96, 6 8s are 48. 24, 24 for 28, 9 8s are 72, 2, 7, 9 4s are 36. 36 for 40, 43. So how much you are getting? 8, 10, 6, 4. 4,608. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to 4,608 square meters. This is the answer, children. This is the second part that I have done, children. I hope I am clear. 2 into L plus B is 288. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So L plus B, send this 2 here. Now in the problem they said that length is twice the breadth. So breadth when you consider as x, length is 2x. So L plus B is 144. So I have substituted, I got x. X means breadth. Length I have found out 2 into x. and area I have found out by multiplying. I hope I am clear, children. This is a lengthy problem. Please go through it properly. Note it down. Now with this, I am concluding my part. In the next class, I will be doing the next exercise.